All right, good morning, everyone. A happy Saturday. I am going live here in the morning and getting things prepped because it's a beautiful Saturday and we're going to head out. And so while you're making coffee, you can easily throw some items together so that you come home to a nice home cooked meal that takes you a few minutes to kind of either warm up or whatever it might be. Today it's more about fancy drinks and snacks, but this also makes it a great, like the snack can travel with us, which means even better, right? So, it's holiday time, Halloween if you do that, if you have your friends or maybe some family over, have something fun for your kids, maybe also fun for the adults would be great as well. And this is a delicious recipe that we actually have on the website called chicken crack. So yeah, exactly like it sounds, it's crack because you are addicted to it once you start. There's many different flavors you can use with it. I like using our lemon chicken orzo, but you could totally use the pesto, that's what's on the recipe, or any other flavor you might like. I have a couple of chicken thighs in here already chopped up. I'm doing it the quicker way. There is a way where you can put it in a slow cooker and let it go. I'm just, because I chopped up the chicken really small, I'm doing half a recipe. I'm going to do it in the microwave 5 minutes at a time until I get the consistency, which is also really great. If people are coming over, you're like, oh my God, what do I make? This is also a great pasta sauce. Add some veggies, pasta, away you go. All right, so a couple of chicken thighs chopped up, some cream cheese, lactose-free cheese. Toss all that in. And then, of course, your seasoning that you want. And since I'm only using half, I'm only going to use about probably a little more than half, just because I like that flavor for it. Give it a quick stir, and then toss it in the microwave 5 minutes at a time, because you just want to keep stirring it so everything marries together nicely. Okay, so that's there. Now I want to make some fancy drinks. So grab some apple juice or apple cider and your candied yam seasonings, because this is perfect for making cran apple cider or mulled apple cider, mulled cranberry juice, mulled anything, really great. I again use our round steamer, 5 minutes in the microwave to warm it up, and just to have it marry together its flavors. And then grab your favorite ice cube tray of whatever format. I personally like using our Perfect Petite pan, because then they're cute little rectangulars, whatever. And then just pour in. That's it. Super simple. Let it cool, throw it into the freezer, and now you have some fun cider ice cubes. That way people can choose to, one, you don't have to use water, right? So you're not diluting your drink. So if you're already making fancy cider drinks for everybody, then that's one. Or actually, I found some really cool fall recipes where you can add it to like Prosecco, or just plain sparkling water or a sparkling wine, whatever particular you want to do. So that's it. I'm just going to let it cool before I put it into the freezer so I don't spill it everywhere. And that's that. But I have some already made, so I'm just going to do sparkling water. So it just gives a little bit of the flavor, and of course we just wait like 30 seconds, the ice cube starts to go. So there's my mulled apple cider ice cube. Throw in some sparkling water, and then of course you could put like a cinnamon stick or something in there for them to stir, and then it's kind of like essence of it. And then if you give it like 30 seconds for it to dissolve, they'll get the flavor of the cloves and the aniseed and the cinnamon, and kind of do that. But they're also just great for just not diluting your already warm apple cider or anything like that. And away you go. So super simple, fun, fancy drink ideas. Dips. As I said, the chicken crack is a great dip, but also pasta salad or anything like that. Another thing you can do is my favorite is just a sage and apple cream, cream cheese spread. This is the other half of the cream cheese, so I might as well use it. Grab yourself, I usually do about 2 tablespoons of the sage and apple. Oh, it smells so good. If you don't know what's in this, it's onion and some herbs, some apple and sage, black pepper, and chives. And you just mix it up, and then you can totally roll it if you wanted, so that you come out with like little cylinder of it, or just smush it into a container of some format, and then you can literally have that on hand if someone comes over, or again, makes a great pasta salad, pasta sauce. Sorry, not salad. Oh, you could do that too, I guess. And that's it. Super simple. And then you just take some and put it on a cracker. So I just got sweet potato here. Oops, don't do that. And then there's my sage and apple cream cheese spread, sorry, on sweet potato. So good. Okay, that's it. Quick and simple. So, what's going on today? It's the same as it's the last couple of days. You're going to see a whole bunch of awesome posts for you to comment in. The more you comment, the more opportunities you have a chance to win. So comment on all of them. Throw in your favorite recipe. Tell us what you love about doing at Halloween. Do you decorate? Do you have some fun with that? Do you make some cool ghoulish stuff? Or just any other day to you? Doesn't matter. Because to be honest, epicure is great no matter what, right? It's the whole concept of being able to know what's for dinner really quickly. You have so many options. Like that 3-week dinner collection is awesome for that. You can just go through and go, oh, I've got that, and go ahead and make it. And it doesn't even matter. You can use whatever your favorite protein and veggie to any of them and go ahead and make those awesome meals in 20 minutes or less, which is what I love about epicure so much, is that I can get in and out of the kitchen in like 5 minutes. 20, but the 5 minutes sounds really cool, right? But really, I can. If you do your meal prep, you can get zip in and get zip out. So check out what's there. The holiday stuff is all on sale, right? Not holiday stuff. The holiday baking, sorry, is on sale. So check out those, because the happy birthday cake is my favorite, and it's in a collection. You can make this delicious churro coffee cake with it. Anyway, so yeah, head over to your ambassador's website. Check out which, start your cart, get shopping, see what you want, get the over 75, put in that mystery code that you got and see what you're going to get. Is it 10? Is it 15? Is it 20% off? And yeah. And then of course, reach out to your ambassador if you have any questions about particular products, or you need a recipe or anything like that. We're here for all of that. Or hey, if you want to do something a little bit more, like maybe make a little bit of money while you're eating, talk to your ambassador about becoming your own brand ambassador. Why not make some cash and turn this into something a little bit more than just shopping, right? Why not shop on your own website, make some money while you're doing it, and also share with your family and friends and see what they can do with it, because you know how awesome epicure is in your kitchen. Why not share it with them so that they can get the same, and then you get paid to be your own brand ambassador. So how cool is that? All right. There we go. Chicken. It needs a few more minutes, obviously. But there you go. Just smush it all up. This is why I say 5 minutes. Do it 5 minutes. Where you go. And it'd be all gooey. And as I said, great for a dip, but also great as a pasta sauce, which is pretty much what I want to do with it. Because for me, this is going to be my lunches over the week. So I can freeze this into smaller batches, and then have little, like, couple tablespoons, throw it into some pasta, or just have it as some veggies, and away I go. So yeah, what else? Oh yeah, forgot. Don't forget to, if you're wanting to get some family and friends together and go a little bit further with just shopping, reach out to them to get your own shopping link for November or December. So if like being a brand ambassador is not for you, that's okay. Hosting is also a great way to get discounts. And November and December are going to be awesome, because if you book now, you get an opportunity for some extra goodies. So reach out to your ambassador about your mystery code and start shopping. Any questions you might have, reach out about, being your own host in November and December and getting extra goodies and sharing with your family and friends. Or just reach out about being one of us, and being your own brand ambassador and getting paid. All right. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody.